Hey guys, SAMTB here, Steve at Pivot Cycles out here in Phoenix. Gonna be on the Switchblade today. Gonna hit South Mountain. Gonna be a blast. See you guys soon. Hey guys, Steve here, SAMTB. Wanted to just say hey, welcome to Phoenix, beautiful Phoenix. Since I was in Phoenix, I had to stop by Pivot and get on their Switchblade. Bike was a joy, an absolute pleasure to ride. Hit Mormon, National, couple of other smaller, shorter trails. Excellent, worth every piece of sweat, blood, and skin I left on the trail, but absolutely a blast of a trail. I mention those trails because those are the trails that the guys that build these bikes and ride these bikes, that's what they ride. And it's kind of obvious, this bike is perfectly suited for those trails. This is a carbon frame. It's fairly light. I'll get all the details, the minor little geek out nerdy detail stuff. I'll leave that in the description. Kind of want to hit the high points here. It's a 29-inch wheel bike. You've got DHFs and DHRs, front and rear, as they should be. The DT Swiss, these are the 1700 30mm rims. So you get a nice wide tire. These are all both 2.5s, front and rear. It's 142 millimeters of travel on the rear, and that's with a Fox Float X2 shock. On the front, you've got the Fox Factory 36s, and that's 160 mil travel. I'm glad I had all of that travel on these trails. Definitely appreciated it. You got a nice dropper here. This is the transfer one, mounted on Pivot's signature, what do you got, the WTS saddle, which is nice. And then, so you've got XT shifter up top, and then you have an XTR, you can't see it's on this side, you have the XTR derailleur on a 12 speed, and then XT brakes. It's great. I have nothing else to say about it. It's an awesome bike. Rides phenomenally well, climbs excellent. Matter of fact, I actually noticed coming off of my Ripmo that a lot of times I actually had to go into like a harder gear, because the way it's set up with the gearing, I'll flip this around here. You've got the race face crank in the front, and then you got your cassette in the rear with the XTR derailleur. I noticed that when I was on, like in some of the, the higher gears there, I was spinning out a bit, and I actually had to go to a little bit harder gear so I wouldn't spin out as much. It could be the geometry too, that this possibly puts me a little bit more further than I'm used to, and it could also just be I'm unfamiliar with the terrain. This is lots and lots of grippy rock with lots of this like pumicey like stuff on top of that, which is slick, slippery. You slide out a little bit if you're not really mounted on that rock real well. But anyway, phenomenal, just excellent bike. The Switchblade by Pivot, I thumbs up, hats off. You guys, kudos, excellent job on this bike. It's just, love it. I love it. Like I said, I'll put the details in there because I'm not exactly out here in the desert. And when I get back to the editing room, I'll get you guys all the details and I'll put that there for you guys. So thank you guys so much. Come out to Phoenix. These trails are beautiful. Next trip will be Sedona, and then all around there, it's just endless out here. It's beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching today. You guys have a great day. See you soon. Like it, click it, subscribe it. You know what to do. Thanks so much.